All right, since I have my whole setup, I'm gonna go ahead and do my unveiling here. Let's start with Sadie Stickers. So we on day number 5. Yes, I'm getting ready to eat. Sis is hungry. Get my scissors so I can cut this open because I'm not trying to jack my fingers up. Okay. What's in the box? What's in the box? We got washi. I like how she did it this year. So this is our washi. Super cute. So these two are in gold. So you have some florals. And it's funny, like how Rachel says like fuzzy foil. So she has like fuzzy foil in there. And then this looks to be, yeah, this is perforated. So these are like headers. So that's the first set, which is gold. And then this set here, same thing, just with blue. So you got the blue, and this is with silver. Super cute. So that's day number 5 of Sadie Stickers. Day 5 for Letters to Apollo. Let's see what we got. Ooh, we got fancy boxes. Ew. Ew, this is cute. Super cute. So this is Advent Day 5. This is in silver. You got some fancy boxes. You got the butterfly, so cute. This is it in rose gold. Super pretty. This part gets me though, with these like little cutout butterflies down there. Like you got deco everywhere. And then this is gold. So pretty. So this is day number 5 of Letters to Apollo. And lastly, day 17 from The Giving Girl. All right, we got habit, yes, habit tracker. So this is called the bar habit tracker. Super cute. That looks to be gold. No, that's rose gold. That's silver. And that's gold. Super cute. So that is day 17 from The Giving Girl. Thanks for watching.